Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute like ponytail covers, bun covers, however you sort of describe them. They're really simple, really easy to make, especially with leatherettes and fabrics like this. And all you need is some bun sticks, which you can order from Amazon. You can get about 10 to 20 for a few pound, or from AliExpress, any place like that. Like I said, they come in sets of 10s, and you can use all different types of fabrics. You've got little offcuts, things like this. I've used mine using my Big Shot dies for my bows, but if you don't have them and you want to freehand, you can draw and cut them freehand instead. The only thing you need is some sort of punch tool, so like this one, or if you haven't got that particular one, I have this version, but it doesn't cut as well. This particular one, excuse me. This one works better, but it scares me more because I think it's going to break. And I'll just move these out of the way a little bit. And that over there. And then I've got this really pretty embossed fabric. I thought it was really cute for autumn. And I have this die, and this is one of my dies from AliExpress. It's a shaker die, so I'm going to use this heart on this one. But you could probably use the Easter one for like a shape there as well. You could do a bunny one as well, and like I said, even the St. Patrick's 4-leaf clover would be cute as well. We're going to just do enough to cut the heart. So I've just cut enough fabric to cut that heart shape, and then I've got my die, and I've got my 2 plates. So I want one on the top, one on the bottom. I'm going to turn my die. I want to put that through here, and these are the longer extender plates, by the way, because on these longer dies you do need these longer plates, and I have both the standard versions and these long ones as well, purely because you get more use out of the die. And this is the standard size Big Shot. Normally I use this on my floor instead of my desk when I'm using these longer ones, so I'm just going to move that down here out of the way. And then we have now got our nice little cut heart. And put that there. And we're going to put those out of the way. And then what I want to do is, I've got this white gem pencil, and I'm going to take my metal ruler, and I'm just going to mark out, try and do an even line, so that I'm going to use centimetres so it's easier, because I want to go 1 centimetre in to put my holes in, so that we've got enough distance from the side of the heart so it's not going to like damage the structure of the, but not too close that it's going to be too, not going to be able to get the bun stick through it nicely. So as you can see, we've got our little white marks here that we can see, and then we want to take our little hole punch. So this one, you could probably use a standard hole punch, but they don't get through all fabric, so you'd have to check and play around. And we want to take that over the hole. Be careful with these because they're quite noisy. There we go. It is one. Be careful. Said it didn't quite 100% cut all the way cleanly through, but normally it does. And then we're going to take it and do the other one where I marked it. Be careful getting it loose. There we go, because like I said, a little bit trapped. If it ever gets still slightly caught, because it does occasionally, that's when I like my little smaller scissors to just get that little bit there. And then you can take a lighter and I sort of go underneath, just around there. So if you've got any like little only 3, and then you can do around the edges, just clean up any little bits from there. There we go. So there's our little cover like this, and then all you want is I literally just have 2 bun sticks in front of me, but I've misplaced them. So then all you do is with your bun stick is to go on like this, and we can take our little head, and on the hair you would just place them on, stick through one side over there, and you've got the super cute heart-shaped cover. If you wanted to do a little, just have to quickly make a bun off the screen. Okay. Or if you had like a little bun like this, you could place it over and through like that as an alternative to like over the ponytail, like on a half updo. But you can play around, there's so many different ways you can use it. It's quite cute. Like I said, it's an alternative for little bits of fabric that you might have left over, or like little bits that you might not have an idea how to use, and it's like a cute add to like on, like, you know, if you were doing back to school sets, something like that. It's like a cute add-on that sort of fits with those kind of themes and just